Have you ever wondered how comfort food can transform your day? Stay tuned to uncover the magic in Ottolenghi's new cookbook. This book, co-authored with Helen Go and others, offers over 100 inventive recipes for every mood, organized around themes like nostalgia and celebration. Brings the perfect dish for any occasion to your table, from classic mac and cheese to innovative twists. It's a journey of flavors that soothe the soul. Hit like if you love comforting culinary adventures. Yotam Ottolenghi's new cookbook, Comfort, is a heartwarming exploration of food that soothes the soul. Co-authored with Helen Go, Verena Lockmuller, and Tara Wigley, this book offers over 100 inventive recipes that blend nostalgia with contemporary flair. Each chapter is thoughtfully organized around themes like nostalgia, everyday, and celebration, allowing readers to find the perfect dish for any occasion. The recipes range from comforting classics such as mac and cheese and chicken soup to global delights like lamb shawarma and lentil ragu. Each dish is beautifully photographed, inviting readers into a world where cooking becomes a joyful experience. What sets Comfort apart is its emphasis on flexibility. The authors encourage experimentation, making it easy for home cooks to adapt recipes to their tastes. Ottolenghi's signature style shines through, transforming simple ingredients into extraordinary meals. The writing is warm and engaging, making it not just a cookbook but a celebration of the connections food fosters. Whether you're an experienced cook or a beginner, Comfort promises to inspire and delight, making it a must-have addition to any kitchen library. Click the link below and get your copy of Comfort now. You will love every recipe.